And the next in the occasional series on motorcycles is the Velocette 500 Scrambler. So we've got this lovely sample here. How's that? Starts up straight away. Beautiful straight through bike. You can hear the crackle of it. It's lovely there. It's got a very competition cam in it, this one here. And it's absolutely lovely. And you'll see this bike at some displays in Australia. It's one of about 101 that were made by Velocette, and it's just absolutely lovely. You saw it there when first go, and you can see it's ticking over there lovely. We'll just give it a little bit of throttle, just a little bit there, and you can hear that it's running absolutely perfectly. Look at that motor there, map of Africa. So hit the subscribe button and tell us what you know about Velocette.